Bare aluminum is often considered for electrical installations, but there are specific reasons why it is not suitable for underground service poles, especially for the neutral conductor. Electrochemical corrosion is a primary concern. When bare aluminum comes into contact with dissimilar metals such as copper conductors in pole boxes, in the presence of moisture, it forms a galvanic cell. This electrochemical reaction accelerates the corrosion of the aluminum conductor. The aluminum corrodes preferentially because it is less noble than copper in the electrochemical series. This corrosion weakens the aluminum conductor and can lead to premature failure. The second consideration is mechanical damage. Aluminum is a relatively soft metal compared to copper. Underground service poles are subject to mechanical stresses and movement from soil shifting, temperature changes, and other environmental factors. Bare aluminum is more susceptible to physical damage during installation and maintenance. Nicks, abrasions, or deformation of the aluminum conductor can reduce its current carrying capacity and create hotspots, increasing the risk of electrical failure. Thirdly, code violations exist because the National Electrical Code, or NEC, contains specific provisions that prohibit the use of bare aluminum conductors in underground service poles. Article 300.5d addresses the protection of underground conductors. It states that bare conductors shall not be used for branch circuits unless the conductor is type MV cable or type MV cable with a bare copper equipment grounding conductor. This rule directly prohibits the use of bare aluminum conductors in most underground applications, especially those involving branch circuits. Article 310.15b4 focuses on the protection of conductors from physical damage. It states that conductors entering or leaving a raceway shall not be subject to physical damage. Bare aluminum conductors are more vulnerable to damage, making their use non-compliant with this article in underground service poles where they are exposed to potential mechanical stress. These NEC articles are in place to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Using bare aluminum in underground service poles can lead to unsafe conditions and code violations, which can result in penalties and the need for costly repairs. In summary, the electrochemical corrosion, the higher susceptibility to mechanical damage, and the explicit prohibitions in the NEC make it clear that bare aluminum is not an appropriate material for underground service poles. Specifying and installing the correct type of conductor for underground applications is critical for preventing electrical failures and ensuring safety. Using insulated conductors designed for direct burial or installing conductors in approved raceways provides the necessary protection and ensures code compliance. Always consult the latest version of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements and guidelines related to underground electrical installations. This helps to guarantee safe and compliant installations.